Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to download the best auto clicker on Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for auto clicker. Okay. So once you search for auto clicker, you need to choose the link of SourceForge. Okay. So once you've clicked on the search SourceForge link, just go ahead and click on the download button right here. And then just go ahead and wait for the auto clicker. And then once it is done downloaded, just go ahead and click on it. Okay. So here you should see this tab. So now here you can now choose the click interval. So you can choose hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. So if you want the fastest auto click, just go ahead and choose 1 here in milliseconds. Here for the click repeat, just go ahead and choose whatever you want, as well as here at the click options. Okay, so here in click type, you can choose double or single. In the click at the mouse button, you can choose left, right, or middle. And then here at the cursor position, you can pick any location. And here at the hotkey setting, you can choose any button that you want to use to start and stop the auto clicker. Okay, so choose whatever button that you want, but I'm just gonna leave it like this, the F6 button. And then now you can just go ahead and click on the start button or the F6 button to start the auto clicker. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the CPS test so that we can go ahead and start using the auto clicker. Okay, so now when, as you can see, this is the normal. Okay, so but when you start, so now when I start the auto clicker, just go ahead and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, the auto clicker will just go ahead and start clicking, and that is how you do it. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.